Social media sucks. And I think we need a cure for the brain rot that it's been giving all of us for the last many years. Also, this brain rot's only increasing, it's only getting worse. The good thing is, I think we can fight this. I think we can come out on top of this. And we, and specifically you, are in control of your own existence. So, without further ado, I'm going to show you how I've been building a cure for social media, doom scrolling, brain rot for the last 285 days, how it works, and how you don't have to block any apps or set up time limits. So, let's dive in. First things first, most applications that are trying to solve this same problem are not approaching it in a way that I think is a permanent solution. If you block the apps and you delete the apps, you set time limits on the apps, these things can help. But they have limits, they have downsides. Like any medicine, um, it's not going to last forever. Or like a band aid. Eventually, you're going to have to take it off. And eventually, you might go somewhere where you don't have band aids. So, you get cut and you get hurt and you can't patch it up. Or, in our metaphor, you go on a different device and you don't have the time limits, you don't have the restrictions. So, what do? Well, you go browse. You go get stuck in this brain rotting cycle on the internet that is induced from social media. But what if instead you were distracted in a good way? Distracted with something you actually wanted to do. And that's what Curiosity Quench is proposing. To use your innate curiosity to drive you to do things that are more interesting to you than scrolling on your phone and hoping that the next video that comes on your feed is interesting. You can do this by saving something to your list. There's over 1,000 different interests on Curiosity Quench, and then getting a plan for it. So if you don't know where to start and it's overwhelming for you, you can get a plan. Swipe right, it's going to generate that plan, and you will be able to get something like this. Basically, a plan that you can check off, a plan that you can go through, check on the steps, press the get help button if you get stuck, and ultimately a plan to help you be distracted from the brain rot that may be calling your name. Also, what I've been working on for the last month has been enabling people to get curated content for every single topic. Right now, it's not on every single topic, but the whole idea here is that you have a topic, you get a plan, and each step in the plan has relevant content that you can consume to actually help you do this. So here's a jewelry TikTok, and basically you go do it, and you come back here, you learned about the basics, check it off. And that's the whole idea. Now, as you do the plan, as you progress through the plan, you're going to find that creating things, contributing things, and doing things is the most fun path. It's so much more fun. In the end, it's enjoyable than scrolling on your phone and feeding the brain rot. And I think you know this inherently, but here's a reminder. And also, here's a way you can serve this reminder and actually take action on that lesson, if you will. But you already know that. Yeah, when you do all the steps, you can then quench it. This is going to allow you to celebrate your win, which is pretty vital. You should celebrate the things that are good for you, especially when you've accomplished quenching your curiosity. Um, that's where the app's at right now. I haven't really coded in the last 2 weeks as much as I usually would, mostly because I've just been messing around with promoting the app, making some videos. As just me, I'm trying to do the marketing, the coding, the building, the everything, right? So it's a lot. If you want to help me, consider sharing this if you think it'll help a friend. That is, that means a lot. Because I think this can help a lot of people. And I think it still is not perfect, but as is better than the alternative, which is brain rot, pretty much. Anyways, you don't have to download my app. This message hopefully can help you itself to follow what you're interested in, to learn about these things, and to ultimately enjoy creating, contributing, and curating your existence more than you're just consuming on your phone. Anyways, go touch some grass, go outside, find some sunlight, and have a great day. I love you. Take care, and I will see you guys when I see you. All right. Goodbye.